Good morning, friends. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, Share and Care with Maya. I hope you all are doing very good. And this is a Friday morning, 8th of January. And I woke up early in the morning around 6 o'clock. And this is my routine from last 1 week. And though I did not took this resolution on 1st of January, but yeah, I decided it that on 2nd of January that I will make sure that every morning I have to do little bit of maybe some pranayam, some yoga asana or meditations, at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, whatever time I can dedicate. Here I am doing just the breathing exercise, a little bit of movements of the neck, shoulder, wrist, and my feet, everything, and warming up the body. So whatever I'm practicing here, it is just what my body or what I feel very comfortable doing. No such like I do not feel any pain or any stress when I'm doing stress on any of the body parts. So therefore I do this little bit of exercise. I believe that everyone should do whatever their body can easily do it. It's not that we have to, if we have any pain while stretching or any bending, so we should not stop doing it. We should not continue doing anything which gives us pain or trouble, because that will not help at all. So just try to do whatever stretching and bending or moving your body parts. Just see to it that nothing pains to you, and whatever you feel comfortable, just try doing that. And see to it that you regularly do it, at least every day, maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever time you can dedicate that to your health. That will really help you a lot. And you will see day by day your body will start getting more flexible. Let's put some light on the benefits of yoga or exercise. So we will see that yoga or exercise offer physical and mental health and benefits for people of all ages. And if you are going through an illness, recovering from surgery, or living with a chronic condition, yoga can become an integral part of your treatment and potentially help us healing. And let us see 9 benefits of yoga. Yoga improves to strengthen and balance flexibility. That's very true. And yoga help with the back pain relief. Yoga can ease arthritis symptoms. Yoga benefits heart health. Yoga relaxes us to sleep better. Yoga can mean more energy and brighter moods. Yoga help us to manage our stress. And also yoga connects us with the supportive community. We meet many people if we do like a grow you we go to learn yoga or join some community. Definitely it helps us to get in contact with supportive community. Yoga also promotes self and better like self care in a better way. So all this are the benefits of yoga. And I really believe that if we keep doing this is for our own health. We are not going to do yoga and that will benefit someone else. Yeah, definitely it will benefit our family, in the way that we can be a far better human and healthy person, and which definitely is good for every family. Each and every member of the family should be in good health and in like free of all diseases and sickness. So that is good for the family. So in that way we can help our family to be a healthy person and also not getting sick very often. So that will definitely help everyone. And if each and every member of the family follow such regular morning routine or any routine, healthy diet, healthy habits, that will definitely help, to get good life and to get a better health. So I really wish all of you a very very good luck about taking care of your health. And because health is wealth, whatever proverbs and saying thoughts or proverbs we hear, they are not just someone sitting idle and have thought about it. It is always made by so much of experience, and people say those thoughts. And health is wealth. If we have good health, if we have good conditions, we can earn wealth, and we can enjoy our wealth also then. Otherwise, nothing is of any use. We have very beautiful kids, very beautiful family, very happy family, everything will be fine. But if we are not in good health, we are not going to enjoy anything. We only have to carry our body, our sick health. Or so therefore we have to be very very careful about the health. It is the basic thing, basic uh, like need of our life, necessity of the life, the health care. So we have to be very aware. We don't need to wait until we get sick, and take utter care of our body, and see to it that just don't wait. Or it is not just for the healthy or fat people. Healthy, I mean fat people actually. So like me. So it's not just for the fat people to do exercise or yoga, it is for everyone, every individual. After a certain age, the body start having many ups and downs in their hormones, and many changes happens. The body organs keep getting old day by day, so they need proper supply of the blood, proper oxygenation. So everything has to be provided to them in proper way. Because when we feel sick, we just take some medicine, and what exactly the medicine it works on that particular organ which is paining or which is having some issue, or so that helps that. So instead of giving medicine, if we provide proper oxygen, proper blood to those organs, because their food is that it needs blood, it needs oxygen. And if they provide them with proper blood and oxygen, definitely they will be healthy and fine. And if they are healthy and fine, then we are healthy and fine. So just see to it that you are doing some or other exercise for your own health, and motivate others in your family, your kids, everyone who will look at you and will be motivated to do the same. When we do yoga, or especially the meditation or the breathing exercise, I especially feel that I am performing my prayers or doing puja, thinking about God. Or just maybe sometimes I feel that I'm not thinking about anything, but just still feel so spiritual, so peaceful, calm. And I really like being with myself for a few minutes or maybe some time while doing meditation. So that really helps me a lot, being calm. And it makes us kind too. I feel I'm a kind person. So so therefore it really change our personality. We start looking things in a different way, and start seeing people in a different way, be more generous. And that is what is needed in the life. Everywhere we can see there's so many things going on, so we have to be kind and generous and try to understand the situations of others and the society. So this is the end of the video now, and thank you so much for watching me. These are our sweet beautiful fishes, and see you soon in the next video. I hope you like the video. Please hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye.